Now, we've talked a lot about connecting with your audience in this course, and the best way to do that is to look them in the eyes, the window to the soul. Make them feel acknowledged. While you're speaking, if to only one person, look them in the eyes the whole time. It feels uncomfortable, but it's big eye energy. I don't know, I guess that's one way to put it. If you're speaking to a group, look each audience member in the eye for maybe 3 to 4 seconds. A general rule of thumb is to look at each audience member for a sentence or two and move on to the next person with your thought finished. It makes everyone feel like you care and they're here to listen to you. So practice speaking with a group of friends or family or teddy bears and practice these techniques. Right now, tell me a funny childhood story, but keep the audience through eye contact.